What's up guys? So we came to downtown LA. We came to one of the tallest buildings in LA. We're gonna go to the top deck where it has an open view of the whole city, and it has like a glass slide and all the way in the top.
It's like it's kind of like a museum. It's kind of like a museum up there.
Yeah, it's like 70 something floors high up.
Yeah, it's like over 1,000 feet up in the sky.
We're gonna go to the lobby and buy our way up. We could purchase tickets online, but we didn't since we were around the area, so we're just gonna purchase
food at the children.
After we get our tickets, we gotta go through security. We just went through, and I don't know where do we go through here?
54.
54. Oh, so we gotta come through. Hello. Oh.
Oh shit! There's no button. Did it just go straight
Let's
up?
get it.
Did it just go straight up?
Oh, I don't know. I think it might go straight up. I'm not sure. We're gonna go to level 54.
Go ahead.
You go, bitch. Hey, hey. Hey.
Go bitch, go bitch. Ooh. You go, girl.
This record.
Record your LA. Oh, it's a studio.
Oh yeah. Guys, they didn't let us bring our tripod in here for I don't know what reason. So if the camera kind of falls, just hello.
Bear with us. Oh, it actually works.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, something.
Oh.
Adios. Dumbass, it's on this side.
Adiós, amor, me voy de ti. Y esta vez para siempre. This shit's hard. I was born in the ghetto, sometimes I wonder why. I look up at the sky and no reply. To all my fans out there, I love you guys.
Well, I'm your hype
This
man.
for you, baby. Yeah. 2-in-1. Better
Hey.
subscribe.
Hey,
because
better.
I get the likes and the views every time.
Hey.
Every time. Oh, this is cool, guys. Look, they got like all the LA teams: LA Kings, Lakers, LA Galaxy, Angels, Rams. They got the Sparks, the LA Clippers. Ooh, the LAFC. Damn, they got the Vela shirt, and they go hard. And then they got the Kershaw. I'm about to take that one home. And they got the LA Chargers. Oh, that's cool.
Pretty cool.
Oh, it's like a little graffiti. Life in LA visual.
Hey. The YouTube logo.
Oh. Alright, you're a little creative in there. Alright guys, so we went through the museum phase, and now we're gonna go to the elevators to go to the top deck so we can get that 360 view around the city.
Let's go. Hi. Good and yourself. We're going to the slide, you guys.
Yeah. Let me see.
It was kind of weird. Don't do that. Alright. It's kind of hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is the slide we're gonna go down in a bit.
You can't get a clear view from here, but right now we're gonna go downstairs.
We're going through and down.
Oh yeah. So you guys could get a better view of what it looks like.
So Adrian went up, he's gonna go first down the slide. Alright, he's coming guys.
You know, I heard you. You're like, yeah, you know, everyone heard.
Alright guys, we came here for a reason, and right now Edgar's making paper airplanes, and we're gonna throw them off the top deck. One's already done. He sneaked the paper plane in the building.
I just made it.
He put it in his sock, and this one he just made, and we're gonna go and throw them off the building. We're gonna see how far it goes.
And hopefully we don't get in trouble.
And hopefully we're able to see it though, because it's kind of like foggy outside.
Hopefully
So-
the camera can see it.
Yeah, the camera can see it. So we're gonna go outside, you guys, and show you guys what's up.
Before we throw it,
We're gonna write down our channel. That way the person who finds it to subscribe to our channel.
I highly doubt they will subscribe, but it's worth a shot.
It's worth a subscriber.
Yeah, one subscriber at a time. Let's go.
Ready to go. So I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna throw my paper plane, and whoever finds it is gonna subscribe to us, to our channel. And
You're alive.
go.
That was cool.
Alright, we're not all the way down.
Okay, so it's Edgar's turn. He's gonna throw his shit. His paper plane already right now. He's scared to get kicked out. Come on, my brother. You can do this. What the?
That was the best.
Oh. Oh.
That's it. Guys, so our first two attempts were kinda,
They were a fail.
yeah, they weren't so good. I think it's because it's too windy, so right now we're gonna wait for the wind to die down a bit. And we got one more, and let's see how it goes.
Hopefully it's like a perfect like glide.
Yeah.
Because the first two just
This
went
is like-
straight down.
Yeah. We saw them for like 3 seconds and we couldn't see them no more.
Hopefully this one works.
Alright guys, he's staying on the table.
Oh look. Oh shit.
Oh, it hit the building.
Oh shit.
Let's, oh, without, oh.
Go recording.
Oh, I lost it. Oh, come. Oh, look, it's right there. Where is it? Oh, you guys see it?
Where is it?
Right there, look.
Oh shit.
I think it's gonna hit that building.
Okay, like, I mean, oh look, it's going straight down.
Oh, dang.
Let me see it.
Damn, that one's going.
Oh, it's gonna crash. Oh.
I still got it. Here. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it's right there. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Damn, that's crazy. It's crashed, it crashed, it crashed.
Oh. I lost it.
Damn, it's still going.
I lost it.
Fine. Look, it's right there. You see it?
Oh, I see it. I found it. Oh. Oh, it's gonna crash.
Is it? Is it? Let's go see it. We're about to lose it. And it's gone. Alright, time to go pick it up. Alright guys, so we're going down right now. It was pretty fun and it was pretty cheap too. We spent less.
I'm Los Angeles Mayor Eric.
We spent less than $25 and
Guys, we had a blast!
and we got to do the slide, so that was cool. The best part was the plane at the end. It took us 3 tries, but you know, 3rd time's always a charm. And it was pretty cool. We found it.
Yeah, the view and the slide made the entire outing worth it, and even though there wasn't much to do aside
What you
from
mean? There was a lot of things to do.
but aside from riding the slide, the skyscraper once, it was pretty worth it. It was cool.
Thank you, come again. Oh, that's tight. It says thank you, come again. They're language now.
Alright guys, we're exiting already. Imagine we find the paper plane on here.
Nah, it's on the other side.
I know, but the first attempt
I
that we
know.
did, it went straight down.
Look guys, look at the building, how tall it is.
Oh man. Oh look, they found their
What the fuck? Okay, that was not planned.
Let me see. You guys found the plane? You guys found the plane?
Oh, what the heck?
Can I see it?
That's ours. Wait, did you hear us?
Oh, the guys, they found the paper plane. You guys could keep it. We don't have a lot. We just started.
Yeah. Subscribe though.
That was the craziest thing, guys. Some random girl found the first attempt plane, and
Was it that one the first one?
yeah, it was the first attempt.
She found the one that he read, like subscribed to 2-in-1. And it was funny because she found it as we were talking, like, what is it? Like, we find the plane.
You go, girl. Thank you for finding
shout
the
out to
plane.
you if you're watching this video. Alright guys, so
We just left the parking lot, you guys, and we're out in the streets. We're gonna try to find the third attempt plane that we threw off the building.
the one that actually like made it and glided. And we're gonna see if we find it somewhere in the LA streets.
So we came to Santa Monica Beach just to kill the day. Oh, my sandal. And sounds pretty cold.
It's pretty cold. I wish I would have brought a freaking sweater.
Oh damn.
Wait,
what the what is that? Hold up. Look, you guys. The paper plane. What the hell?
What the? Look.
It must have flew into the ocean and
the short brought it back.
yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. All the way from downtown. What the hell?
From downtown to Santa Monica
Look,
Beach.
it's all messed up now.
Oh man, we're not gonna be able to throw it anyway. Guys, we're heading home already. It's getting a little dark. Sun's going down, and I gotta go home because I have a curfew.
And yeah, guys, we really came to the beach just to film that little clip. We thought it would be funny. But we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel,
and give us some feedback in the comment section. And we hope you guys enjoyed.
Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.